Hey everyone, we're on our way to the Javits Center in Manhattan, New York for the 2023 New York Comic Con. In this 1 hour, 36-minute long episode for Patreon members, you are going to experience firsthand what it's like to go there yourself. Ghostbusters, yes! Use a VR headset like the MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3 to immerse yourself in a spatial 8K 3D experience.
I have a little sketchbook that I get filled out for different artists. My partner got me this cover. Every page has different art from a different artist on it. It's nearly full. That's Nightwing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that should be.
Those are really good.
Yeah, it's just over the years.
Ready? Oh, neat. That's
so fucking sick. So fucking sick.
heck yeah. So it's like what? It's battery powered right now?
Yeah, I've got a battery pack right here. I can turn it on and off. Do you have to turn on the catwalk?
Yes.
We got Patchy's house.
Patchy.
That's the neatest little thing, and I like the staff here.
Thank you.
Did you guys make any of your costume or?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yep, she made hers. I made this and my hooves.
The whole thing. Wow. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. That's neat.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him two lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over.
Fan?
Sure. So
BioShock.
BioShock.
Yeah, we're BioShock Infinite. Thank you guys.
Heck yeah.
Appreciate
Take
it.
a card. Yeah, there's the card right there. BioShock
What do you want me to talk about?
So well, first of all, what's your costume?
So my cosplay today, I am Hellfire Gala Emma Frost.
This is your friend's.
This is my friend Don. He also does artwork for Spawn. He has multiple Spawn covers.
For Spawn, yeah.
Yeah, for Spawn.
That was like one of my favorites when I was growing up.
Spawn is pretty cool.
Oh, I see it now. Yes, it took a second. Heck yeah. Which where are you from?
So this is actually an original design I did.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I
Awesome.
used to play a lot of WoW and I like D&D, so.
Yeah. Cool. So you made that whole the whole costume yourself?
Yeah, except the shoes, but I think I get a pass on that.
You get a pass on being a cobbler. Yeah, you don't have to be a cobbler. Remember, YouTube limits the quality to 4K. So go to my Patreon to watch this full-length episode in 400% sharper 8K 3D, designed for MetaQuest 2 and 3 headsets. See the difference next-gen 8K can make with your own eyes. Got the kilo of cocaine and everything.
It took me like a hot second to know what it was.
Second year?
First time.
First time.
How many years have you come?
My very first time, actually.
Congrats. How do you like it?
First, follow your heart and think about which one you want. Relax. Haste makes waste. Keep calm.
I am Frankenfurter from Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Okay.
And this is my Rocky.
I watched that in theaters. I watched that in theaters.
I am Rocky, his creation.
Heck yeah. Okay, yeah, I remember now. Yep. Awesome.
See it now.
I like it. What's
I hope that makes it.
I like your makeup. It's really cool. So did you do it yourself?
I did do it myself, yes.
Cool.
Oh, Cyberpunk.
Of course.
Concert and Leeds.
Heck yeah.
Batman, any Batgirl?
Anything that's related to Gotham City!
I like your costume.
Up in that corner.
Where are you from?
Yeah, like
the
up
costume.
the stairs, right over there. Oh, right there.
Demon Star.
Come out to my channel. Check out my YouTube channel. JRAHTV. Check out my YouTube channel.
JRAT.
Fuck you.
Will do. Will do. Long line for food. Might want to consider packing your own lunch if you ever come. What are you guys eating? That looks really
We got
tasty.
from the food trucks, which I think is the tech when it comes to ComicCon. Because the food inside, not to shit on it too much, but I think the food trucks outside are better. We really like what we're doing right now. I don't want to hit anybody.
When did you get into cosplay?
So I got into cosplay in 2019. That was actually my first year in cosplay and my first year at Comic-Con. So I've been cosplaying through the pandemic, creating content at home, hosting meetups in my area. I'm from Virginia. I'm in DC, Maryland area. So I host cosplay meetups every 3 months, like different fandoms like DC, Marvel, Star Wars, just general meetups just to bring the community together and collaborate in different projects in cosplay.
Yeah, cool.
Sarah is loading. QR code.
Cool. Sarah is loading.
Sarah's on codename Citadel. If you catch either one of those, that's English. We say yes. Plus, it's just fun to hang out with your friends. So any excuse
Heck yeah.
to like make that happen more often. You're like, sure, I'll bring that costume together if I get to actually. Here, do you want to dress up with me and hang out and take cute photos? It's always a yes.
That actually sounds like a lot of fun.
I don't understand why anyone would not cosplay.
Yeah, no, it actually sounds like a lot of fun. I would probably play dress up with you guys.
So if we invited you to a cosplay shoot, you would come in your best cosplay?
Yeah, I'd be down. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I gotta try to think of some good cosplay actually, because like I'm lacking over here.
Show us what you got.
Yeah.
All right, Slice of Life VR. We'll think about what suits you best, and we'll send you a message.
Yeah, right on. Yeah.
Well, that's
Heck yeah. So we're here with the stunt team on the Star Wars Ahsoka. Ahsoka. Okay. All right. Cool. How do you guys how did you get into it to stunts?
I was originally a dancer, and then
Okay.
I was working on a dance job, and someone had mentioned stunts, and my mind was blown, and I was like, I want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a gymnast and a dancer, similar story, and I fit the body build for an actress, and they're like, we need you on this film, and
What movie are you gonna be in?
So it's called A Gettysburg Haunting. It's a thriller horror movie, and it's coming out around February of 2024. I'm actually the ghoul in it, so I'm actually in the movie, and I'm actually wearing the actual movie dress from it. So,
Oh,
so I'm
nice.
cosplaying myself today, which is kind of fun.
Yeah.
So soon in a
Okay.
couple months, yeah.
In a couple months.
Yeah,
Awesome.
just a couple months.
We'll be on the lookout for that then.
Oh, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
and get them like moving around, coming out of this mess. Sorry, no problem.
What a day. This 10-minute 4K preview just doesn't do it justice. You'll find the 1.5-hour full-length 8K experience on my Patreon. Until next time, this is Slice of Life VR.